Draw an umbrella. Make your shapes nice and big. Woohoo! Think about the story your picture tells. Fantastic! Let's color in. Try to make your lines smooth and even. Good job! It's okay if it doesn't look perfect.